Hi, I'm Corey Garza. I'm a professor here in the School of Aquatic and Fishery Sciences, and this is actually my first open house as I'm a new faculty member. But open houses like this are really important. One, for the university, just to highlight what we're doing in the area, but for also engaging the next generation of scientists. It's been really great seeing how many sort of young kids are here taking an active interest in science along with their families over here. And so what we're doing is we're introducing them to all of the ways that our school here is kind of using science to study the ocean, help conserve resources, but we're also trying to give them examples like how they can actually come to school here and one day have a career and one day be the marine scientist and professor here in the School of Aquatic and Fishery Sciences.
I'm Hayla Schultz. I'm a graduate student in oceanography, and I've been a part of SEAS for 3 years now, and it's been really wonderful seeing this event grow from year to year and more people being engaged and being involved. It's a great opportunity for grad students to interact with the public and share their research in ways that they don't usually get to do.
My name is Callie. I'm a second year in Aquatic and Fishery Sciences. This is my first open house. It's really great to see all the kids who are really excited to learn about aquatic sciences, as well as all the researchers, the staff, and the students who are equally as excited to share their projects and their interests. I think some of the really cool ones that I've been to are the fish collection. You can see a lot of the preserved fish and aquatic life, and also the touch tanks where there's some live organisms you can look at and touch. Those are really cool. As a second year, I've been trying to really get involved in a lot of the SEAS and SAF's opportunities that they have for undergrads. It's a really great way to get involved with researchers, with the graduate students, and just get a feel for this great community.
So this is a really fun event because it's a collaborative event with people from all over the College of the Environment studying aquatic sciences, from fisheries and oceanography and SMEA, and it's really nice to see all the research that people in our university are doing and learn about that as well.